Welcome to the Gemological Institute of Genova channel. Today, we're diving into the mesmerizing world of rubies, the fiery red gems that have captivated kings, emperors, and collectors for centuries. From symbols of power to jewels of passion, rubies hold a story filled with mystery, science, beauty. Get ready to explore their origins, surprising curiosities, and unique properties. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more gemstone adventures. Rubies are among the most precious gems in the world, renowned for their intense red color, a symbol of love, courage, and vitality. But where do they come from? Their history stretches back thousands of years. In ancient Sanskrit, rubies were called Ratnaraj, meaning king of gems. In ancient India, over 2,000 years ago, rubies were revered as protective talismans. Warriors in Burma, now Myanmar, believed embedding rubies in their skin made them invincible in battle. Talk about dedication. By the Middle Ages, rubies reached Europe, adorning the crowns and jewels of nobility. In 1367, King Edward II of England offered a massive ruby as ransom to free a prisoner. And here's a fun fact, the famous Black Prince's ruby in the British imperial crown isn't a ruby at all, it's a spinel. Back then, red gems were often mistaken for one another. Today, the finest rubies come from Myanmar, Thailand, and Mozambique, but their rarity makes them highly coveted. Did you know a top-quality ruby can be worth more than a diamond of the same carat weight? Now, let's explore some fascinating facts about rubies that will blow your mind. Here are 5 curiosities. 1. The fire of color. The ruby's iconic red hue comes from chromium, a chemical element that creates the shade known as pigeon's blood. This rare color can make a single carat worth millions. Star rubies. Some rubies display an optical effect called asterism. When light hits the gem, a 6-rayed star appears. These star rubies are among the rarest and most enchanting gems out there. 3. Dangerous mines. Extracting rubies is no easy task. Mines in Mogok, Myanmar are often in hazardous areas. Miners brave extreme conditions to unearth these treasures. 4. Lab-created rubies. Did you know rubies can be made in a lab? Since the 19th century, scientists have crafted synthetic rubies, but a skilled gemologist like those at our institute can always spot the difference. 5. Universal symbolism. Across cultures, rubies are tied to the heart and passion. In India, they're said to bring prosperity, while in the West, they're the perfect gift for a 40th wedding anniversary. What makes rubies so special from a scientific perspective? Rubies are a variety of corundum, a mineral made of aluminum oxide. With a hardness of 9 on the Mohs scale, they're second only to diamonds, making them ideal for jewelry that lasts a lifetime. Their color ranges from pale pink to deep red, but only rubies with rich, pure hues are considered top tier. Inclusions or tiny natural imperfections act like fingerprints. Each ruby is one of a kind. In crystal healing, many believe rubies stimulate the heart chakra, promoting courage and vitality. Even if you're not into metaphysics, it's hard not to be captivated by their stunning beauty. That's it for our journey into the world of rubies. We hope this video has sparked your love for these extraordinary gems. If you want to learn more or have a ruby evaluated, reach out to the Gemological Institute of Genova. We're here to help. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe for more gemstone content. What's your favorite gem? Let us know in the comments. See you next time.